Happy Horse is one of the best AI video models, and the best part is that it's open source, so anyone can use it for free. The video quality is incredibly impressive, and in some cases, it can even compete with or outperform Seedance 2.0. Don't worry, you don't need any GPU to run Happy Horse. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to access Happy Horse with no limitations at all. And that's not all. I'll also compare it directly with Seedance 2.0 so you can clearly see which one performs better. So make sure you pay close attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The platform I'm using today is Medi AI. They've just added Happy Horse, and now anyone can generate videos without any limitations. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Medi AI is a powerful all-in-one AI creation platform where you can generate everything from text to video, image to video, AI voiceovers, and even music, all in one place. Instead of switching between multiple tools, Medi AI brings everything under a single AI ecosystem for content creators. As you can see, here are a lot of options available on a single platform. You have video generation, image generation, music generation, audio generation, and even a full storyboard generation. Well, today I am gonna test the text to video and image to video feature. I am gonna use a single prompt in the Happy Horse model, and then I'll use that same prompt in Seedance 2.0 model in this platform to compare the results. So let's first enter in the video generator. In the video generator you will find many other tools too. In creating video you have AI avatar, video effects and clipper. And you also have edit video section in it, in which you can do these all things. Okay, so first let's try text to video. From here you can select the model. You have too many options available and all of them are top tier models available right now. Well, for now I am gonna select their newly added Happy Horse 1.0. Okay, here I have a text to video prompt that also includes some dialogues so that we can check how well it performs. Let's paste it in here. As you can see, you can even make videos in 1K resolution, so let's choose it. Now in the duration we can generate 15 seconds longer video. Okay, then we have aspect ratio. Of course I am gonna select 16:9. For a cinematic look. Okay, here it is mentioned that this model supports audio in the video generation. That is perfect. Now let's generate it and wait for the result. Okay, here we got it. Our video is ready now. Let's play it.
There's no way through. It's over. Not yet. This country doesn't fall today!
As the results itself shows that the video is just too awesome. The motion is perfectly smooth. There is no any glitch in the video. The audio synced perfectly with the lip sync. Overall the result is just mind-blowing. Now let's try the same prompt with the Seedance 2.0. I am pasting it in here. It is the same prompt that I used earlier. Let's select the Seedance 2.0 form here in the model. Let the rest of the settings as same as earlier. Just click on generate. Okay, here we go. We have the result. Let's check this one too.
There's no way through. It's over. Not yet. This country doesn't fall today!
Okay, Seedance perform well too, but as compared to Happy Horse, there are some differences. Like if we want a more cinematic look of the video, then we must use Happy Horse. Okay, now let's try the image to video feature of this tool. Let's try Happy Horse model and upload an image from here. This is the image I am gonna convert into the video. Okay, now I am going to add this prompt for the generation. And then let's just click generate. And after some time here we have our result. Let's check it out.
Commander, the vortex is fully open. The city is lost. Please, fall back.
I grew up in those streets.
There's nothing left to save. It's over. Come back.
No, it's not over. Not while I'm still standing.
As you can see, the result is so amazing. It didn't change any feature of the character from the image and generated the fitted audio as well. Let's try the Seedance 2.02. I am pasting the same prompt. And let's generate it. And here is our result. Let's watch this one.
Commander, the vortex is fully open. The city is lost. Please, fall back. I grew up in those streets. There's nothing left to save. It's over. Come back. No, it's not over. Not while I'm still standing.
And yes, Seedance 2.0 delivers solid cinematic results. The motion is smooth, the visuals are creative, and overall quality is impressive. But the moment you shift your focus to Happy Horse, there's a clear difference in how cinematic and polished the output feels. The camera movement feels more controlled, the lighting looks more natural, and the scenes carry a stronger movie-like atmosphere. So while both models are strong in their own space, Happy Horse clearly stands out when it comes to cinematic storytelling and realistic video generation quality. So overall, Top Medi AI is a complete all-in-one AI creation platform where you can generate text to video, image to video, voiceovers, and even work with multiple AI models in one place. The biggest advantage is that you don't need different tools for different tasks. Everything is available in a single workflow designed for creators. And when it comes to video generation, the Happy Horse model clearly stands out. In terms of cinematic quality, smoother motion, and realistic output, it feels more refined compared to other models inside the platform. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you like it. I will provide the link in description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.